So hello guys, today we're gonna see some bonus tips about these cubes, solving cube, practicing it daily. That is the first tip, I guess. So today I'm going to tell you some simple tips how to get, you know, maybe speed. My speed also not that good, but I'm still practicing practicing regularly to improve my speed on the cube. So let me just scramble it everything and then test myself. I'm going to test myself at how much speed I going to be solving it. As you can see, I've scrambled everything. Now I'm going to, here is my stopwatch, and now let me show you how much my speed is. Even I don't know how much my speed is. So let's do it. Now I'm just about to solve the middle layer, and I'm just done with the middle layer, I guess. The last piece is been put in the place. Now there is a L, so I'll be using the formula double. Now yeah, I got the plus, and yeah, as you can see, the two pieces are matched and two are not matched, so I'll keep it like in the right hand side, and one in the back and one in the right, and apply right up top there, right up top, double time, right down and top this side. And as you can see, these are made, and I got the plus.